Hello everyone, welcome to this video tutorial session. Today in this video we are going to discuss about the basic Microsoft Word. Here you can see this interface is called MS Word. Normally Microsoft Word you can get like this from the start menu. Just you want to type Word, then click on this Word. You will be get the Microsoft Word application. So Microsoft Word is a word processing software. By using this word you can align and you can format your text as whatever the text, letter or document or anything. If you want, you can formulate by using this application. Here in this Microsoft Word, this is the working area. This whole area is called working area. Then here there are menus: file, home, insert, design, page layout, reference, mailing, review, view. Likewise, so home menu, insert menu will go one by one. Then design, then page layout, then reference, then mailings, review, then finally view. So every menu they are having under the menu sub menus items. So one by one we will go through. So when you are finishing this word practice, normally you are familiar with these all menus. So here this is the working area. Initially what I want to do it, here you can see these are called ruler. So vertical and the horizontal rulers are there. Here if you don't have this ruler, just you want to go to the view menu, then put the tick on ruler. Once you click the tick on ruler, you will get the ruler. Otherwise, if you need some grid lines also, you can get it here. So here grid does, you can get it. Normally once you put the tick on the ruler, you will get the ruler. Then thereafter, page layout. First you want to set up your page. Here you can see in the bottom bar you can have the zoom out, zoom in options. So you can zoom the page and can zoom out the page. So the views are there, the page layout, the single page and double booklet mode. Likewise the modes are there. So always you want to have it the single page mode. When you are working, just keep it on the 100% view, so then only you will get the actual view. Here page layout size, there are different paper size are there. So normally when you are working with the paper, when you are getting printouts, you are using A4 paper. That's what I am going with the A4. Normally before beginning the practical, you want to set a page as a A4 one. Okay, so you can see now this is your A4 page. So you can see the entire pages here. Okay, so then thereafter I'm going with the home menu. Before starting that practicals, so here I need some default texts. Normally from the word, just equal rand, then open bracket, close bracket, then enter. You will get some random texts here. So by default they are producing for some practicals. So here you can see we are getting some random texts here. First what we are going to do, the first line. Okay, so I am selecting this first line. Then what I am going to do is I am changing this font. So there are number of fonts are available. So if you want, as you wish, you can change your font. Okay, so here once you scroll down your mouse, you will get the different style of fonts here. So here just what I am going to do it, I am going to make this as a Arial black. Okay, so then here next paragraph I am selecting, then I am increasing the font size. So the font size, so even though if you want you can change the font, I am changing this as a Times New Roman. Then I am changing that font size as 20. Okay, now you can see Like this way you can increase the font size. Then I am selecting that next line. Then what I am going to do, I am increasing. Now you can see one by one you can increase the font size 16, 18, 20, 22, 24. Then again decreasing 24, 22, 20, 18, 16. Okay, so likewise you can increase and decrease the fonts also. And as you wish, if you want to go with some actual number, here the font sizes are there. By clicking the number you can directly go with that particular font. So when you are doing the things, making the things, first what you want to do is you want to select the text. Okay, so then I am going with this third paragraph, first sentence. I am selecting entire sentence here. Then what I am going to do, here you can see changing the cases. So I am going to change the case. So here sentence case. So first I am selecting. Okay, that's mean here they are making only that first letter as a capital, other letters are simple. So for your visibility I'm increasing the size. Now you can see making all are lowercase. Now you can see all the letters are lower, all are uppercase. Now see capital letters, each word capital, every first letter in the word are capital. Okay, so the first letter simple, others are capital. Now you can see it's back. Okay, so here now you can see clearing format. So once you click this clear format, automatically the particular all whatever the format you have applied in this document, all the format are erased. Then they will back to that initial format. Okay, so here then other thing, if you want to make the text bold, so I will increase the font, then only you will get clear bold. Now you can see you can make the text as a bold, italic, you will get some angled text. Then underline. Okay, so underline there will be a arrow mark. So just click on that arrow mark, you will get the different types of underline. Okay, so as you wish you can apply. Sometimes when you are working with that headings, definitely you want to have some underlines. Okay, so then other thing, just I'm selecting these text, strict through, just you will get some effect like this, the cut. Okay, so then other thing, normally I will increase. Then if you want to type H2O, subscript, so here you can make this as a subscript. Then 10 square, you can make this as a superscript. Then other than this, there are some standard styles where MS Word have. Okay, so once you click these effects, okay, just I am selecting some text effects. You can apply particular text effect. So I will increase again the font, then only you will get clear on this. You can see there different type of effect. Not only there are several things. Here you can see reflection. Okay, so whatever the effect you want, you can apply. Okay, then after that, here highlighting, you can highlight with colors. Okay, I want to select. Okay, Then you can change the text color. Okay. Then we are moving to the second page. Again, in the second page also, I am getting some texts, random texts. Then here alignment. So this is also very important. Align left, align center, align right, and justified alignment. Here I am selecting the particular text. Now it's already in the left alignment. You can see center alignment. All the texts are aligned based on the center. Now you can see right alignment. Now all the texts are aligned with the right side. Now you can see justified. So justified alignment. So whatever the documents you are creating, definitely you want to have the justified alignment. So justified alignment means the both edges, the right side and left side edges, they are maintaining as a same. Okay. So the justified alignment you want to make it. Then here you can see there line and paragraph spacing. If you want to increase the space in between the lines, so you can have here 1.0, 1.5, 1. 1.15, 1.5, 2.0, 2.5, 3.0. So likewise, you can increase the line space in between the paragraph lines. Now you can see. Otherwise, line spacing option here available. So you will get the new window. So from that also you can set the line spacing. Okay. So line spacing 1.5 double, likewise you can have it. Okay. Then after that, okay. So here what I am going to do is bullet marks. So if you want, you can apply some bullet marks. So here, like this way, you can apply the bullet marks. Then here you can insert the numbering. Any type of number you can insert. The number with brackets, Roman letter, ABCD with bracket. As you wish, you can have the numbers. Then other than that, here there are some heading numbers also there. Then here you can see, you can increase the intent. So now you can see what happened. So you can have some tabs. You can remove. Okay. Okay. So then other than these, finally, we are going to see one more things here, format painter. So if you want to apply the same format somewhere else, here you can see you have changed the font color and the font size and the uh, highlighting also. So if you want to apply these same things to somewhere else, how you can apply? Easily you can apply using the format painter. Just select this and click on the format painter, then you can apply. Okay, so like this way you can apply whatever the format you want. You can copy the format by using the format painter. Finally, how you can save? File, save as, then click on the computer, then browse particular provided location. You can save exercise 01. Just click on the save, your file will save automatically. So this is the very basic things about the Word.